Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add folder in iPhone home screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, for you to create a folder on your iPhone home screen or rename a folder on your iPhone home screen, all you simply need to do is locate the application you want to create a folder with. Just go ahead, press and hold the home screen. Once you have all the application wiggling, drag the app to the other application you want to create a folder with. Just go ahead, drag it on the folder or drag it on the application. So you can just drag one app on the other app to create a folder, and then you can drag a folder around. Now you can create multiple folders at the same time, and once you are done, you may want to rename the folder. To rename the folder, click outside, press and hold the folder, then select rename. Now go ahead and give the folder a name. Click on the check mark, click outside. Now repeat this on all other folders you want to rename by pressing and holding the folder and then select rename, and then you are good. So that is basically how to add folder in iPhone home screen and then rename the folder at the same time. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.